Hey, hello, welcome. My name is Sanne. I'm the owner of Skaya. I make apparel, keychains, mugs and other kind of stuff with parrots or parrot related pictures or text, quotes, funny things on it. And thank you for clicking on this first ever vlog. I wanted to start this last year when I was pregnant, thinking that the baby was easy and that I could post it. But no, it wasn't. But this year I just thought, let's do this. And also let's address the biggest elephant here in the room. And that's my very fine English. I'm Dutch. I come from the Netherlands. And I really want to try to do this YouTube channel in English. Because for the future I have a TikTok and Instagram and a Facebook and they are all in Dutch. And the website is also in Dutch. But I really want to try to do this in English. I want to sell to more people than just people in the Netherlands and Belgium. I want to try to at least post one YouTube video every month. So I hope you enjoy and I'll see you when I see you. Let's cue the clip. So, because this is still a thing, this is also a thing. And I want to use this, that one and that one, and I'll build back. So we got another package, because I got those little hairy doggies. I got a lot of hair, so I bought some lint roll, like with 90 sheets. So I hope this can last a little while. This is also a little pen knife thingy. I got some tweezers to take off some decals. I got, oh, it's only one. I got this one. I hope I can use to help and wrap my mugs and cups. I got some paper baggies for the little things I want to ship, to put it in, to have it nice and all organized for the shipping. I got some new products. These need to be sublimation magnets. I can open one. Like sublimation magnets. Oh yeah. So you can sublimate them on this side. And then a magnet. So you can make it like this. Because I don't have a Cricut, so I really want to know if that's gonna work. So I got some of those. And I got another thing. Where's the beginning? Here's the beginning. And I got this one. And this is my... Like you can put your phone in here and then you can put it like around you and then you can, I hope it will work, you can kind of film content like the overview. So like there. Oh no, wait, you can put it out. I was like, oh no, that's not gonna fit. In the meantime, the birds are out. Hello. Where are the other ones? Sky? I can hear you. Hey yo! Kaya! What are you doing? Hi. What you doing? Hey, hey, hey! Come. So, in the middle of all this, I'm still going to press 2 hoodies. So, yeah, plug it in. Op. Open it. Checking the settings because last time I did something different. So like 130. It was really too high. 35. And then for 6 to 8 seconds. Oh, that's also really high. Oh yes. Yes. There we go. All these sweaters. So we got the inserts for the size. And then we got this one on one. And this one. It's Dutch, so yeah. So I'm also going to try and make some content with the telephone with this thing. So you can put it around your neck so you have more kind of like an overview of what you're doing. The dog hairs are everywhere, so I'm gonna try. Put it around my neck and put in the telephone. That's kind of fun. So first I'm gonna pre-press where do I have the grey one? Oh no, I don't need the grey one. I really I need to have another color, like a pink one for this. Oh, I almost fucked it up already. So I got this lovely blue one, not the grey one. The grey one needs to go. The grey one for someone else. So this lovely blue one. Can you see? It's like blue with black speckles. Okay, so because I'm very pregnant, I got a really big belly. So first, take this off. Put it here. So this one is really for the peeling. I like to have some kind of peel things. So first I'm going to press a short time for the moist. And then I'm going to, don't fall over, press for the middle. And this would be 10,000 times better and easier if I could do this on the table, but I don't have one now, so don't have one free. Or I need to put everything downstairs. So kind of the middle part. press it again. Wait some seconds. Open it. Done. Don't fall over again. He's still gonna go. I also want another brush, so I think it is so. Going to put it in here. Get the right print. It's also very handy. Putting it like this. Like this. There's the middle again. Oh. So this is fine, but not right now. So from the text to the bottom, I take like 4 fingers. Very long. Don't have a scissor. Oh, maybe I just need to lint roll it first. Yeah, I got a lint roller, not for nothing. So yeah, let's do that part. So, like 4 fingers. Maybe a little more. Like this. Okay, so I don't need a Teflon sheet or anything because it's already on there. And then first this one, then we're going to put this one right. This one is on. Then we pre-press. Then we press it again. I think it can be a little lower. Like this. And like this. And then we open it. Yeah. That's this one, and then I need to go and get the pink one. So this. Go and get the pink one. One moment. I always press twice because the first time you heat it and then when you peel it sometimes some parts are coming up. So if you press it again then everything is fine. So yeah. So this is the little handy heat press. I use this for the little tags inside of the clothes. So it's really a mess here, so just need to see what size it is, because I already did the whole one. So it's an XL. I'm gonna wait till that one is done. Before I finish this, I'm going to roll and do everything. I also, the little strings that's sticking out, I always cut them off before I ship them. So two lights are green. I'm gonna press this. And then I'm gonna press this part. So like a tool. Dog hair everywhere. So put this here, and then I'm going to peel it. Slowly peel it. Other part is like, yeah. So, and also with this one I also press it twice because now I swooped on some parts. I'm gonna reheat it and press it tightly to the garment. What's in there? Like in the collar. So then the customers don't have any tags in it, so it's not like itchy. I don't like itchy. And I branded it, so my branding is in it. So you can take out the tag, like just like that. So, and I've chosen for the color like not white and not black, but I've chosen for the color like grayish, because then you can put it in like almost any color garment, because it's not too dark when you wear white and it's not too light and too dark for the black ones or the grey ones. It's like you can see it very well. Maybe I could also do some kind of shots for this. Everything's content right. It's not like very steady, it's like you're getting seasick, I think. If you're watching this, you're getting seasick. This one is done. Like this. And then grey one, and I don't have the real design on it, but I can get the tag out and do the tag alright, because I'm just doing tags, so why not? Okay, it's really wobbly. But yeah, let's see. Why, I don't know. This side it's doing okay. Oh no, it's not. It doesn't want to stick. Why don't you want to stick? this time. Why? I did like 2 others and now you're like this to me. Like, yeah. So then that's done. Get this off. Yeah, he's like taking it off again. Stay there. So yeah. Done. Done. Putting this aside. Let's do other stuff. So I got this really small ring, really small, or a little bigger one. So how do I do this? This one. Oh. Oh, it's gone again. Where are you? Oh my god. Okay. So, like this. Yeah, I think I like it like this. picture. So yeah, this one. It's really good quality. Really love it. So it's like this one is more silver and this is more like gun black. So for now, I'm just gonna take this, put this one back, close everyone. So it's not going anywhere. And then we're gonna take all of these off. Because I already put them on. Gonna take them all off. Yeah. Like, yeah. Why do we do? Why to do things twice when you can do it? Well, why to do things once when you can do it twice and don't use it? So yeah, that will be fun because I got many more.